Interested in scheduling a career counseling appointment? It's easy. Follow these steps to learn how. Starting from the student portal, sign on to Navigator and log in using your SF State credentials. On the upper right side of your student homepage, click the Schedule an Appointment button to open the appointment scheduling tool. After selecting Schedule an Appointment, choose Career Services. Note, this is not for help with your classes. You'll want to select Advising for that. Next, look through the selection in the drop-down and choose the appropriate service. Pick a date and click Find Available Times to see open appointment times for that day. Please note that this system will also display availabilities for 30 days after the selected date. If more than one career counselor is available, all open times will appear. To view the availabilities for a specific career counselor, please select View Individual Availabilities. Select a time for the appointment by clicking on the time block. If you need to start the appointment process over, please select Start Over at the top of the screen. Career counseling appointments can be done either in person on campus or virtually through Zoom. To view which appointments are available in person or virtually, select the appropriate filter on the left. If scheduling a virtual Zoom appointment, you will receive a Zoom link to attend the appointment to your student email address along with a calendar invite to your appointment. Be sure to review your appointment details and any additional instructions before confirming. Is there anything you want to share with your career counselor before your meeting? Feel free to add that in the Would you like to share anything else box. Click Schedule to book your career counseling appointment.